Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited 2.2 TDCI-E Tech Grey starts runs needs turbo no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 177869. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Check engine light on the dash. The engine idles perfectly, no shaking, misfiring or back pressure, straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 5.